What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at something very unique. This is the XPUMP Premium by XRound. Now as you can tell, I've got 3 of these, so I'm actually going to be giving 2 of these away, so stick around at the end of the video to find out details. Also at any point in the video, if you like what you see and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Alright, so the XPUMP is a very unique looking gadget. They're saying that it can turn any stereo sound source, including speakers, headphones, and turn it into an immersive 3D experience in real time. They're saying that it adapts to different kinds of audio content by dramatically adjusting its equalizer setting according to audio details and sound field. This brings the best audio representation to users no matter what music genres you are listening to. It sounds cool. Now they did win the Red Dot Award of 2018, so it must be pretty spectacular. That's the magic technology right there. That's the whole thing. All right, it's a very awkward box. I'm not sure how to get, oh, there we go. Okay, so that comes off. Ah, okay, so we got a user manual. What's it, got a little carrying bag. Ooh, I like that. With some very high quality cables. First off, we got about a 5-foot long USB to micro USB cable, and I believe this is for charging, and I believe it is to connect it to a USB device as well. About a 4-foot long auxiliary cable. I love a good high quality audio cable. All right. So you have 2 modes. You've got speaker mode, which eliminates the acoustic crosstalk and expands the sweet spot of stereo listening into a sweet area. It provides a theater experience with a pair of stereo speakers. Now I'm reading that, I'm quoting it. If it sounds like I'm giving a pitch, it's because I'm reading it directly. Also, it has a headphone mode, and it upgrades your headphones by unleashing extra resolution and details, enhancing the sound field and sound depth, and creating a captivating listening experience. All that sounds really good. Then you've got your up and down volume, you got your micro USB port for charging, and you use this as an input, but you also have the 3.5 millimeter port input, and you've got a 3.5 millimeter out. At the top you've got, I'm guessing that's just your activation, your power button. The switch is the XRound effect switch. You can switch it from level 1, which is a detail booster and good for all types of music. Level 2, full scale enhancement designed for movies, games, and music. I've got my Sennheiser Ambio smart headphones. So this is gonna help you guys hear what I'm hearing. When I put the headphones on, I'm gonna put them over these. Also, whenever we go test out the speakers, we're gonna go into my office and we're gonna test them out there. So if you have headphones on, put them on now so you get the best experience. And I also have my Xiaomi headphones. These ones I unboxed a while back. I love these things. They're super duper comfortable. I'll leave a link down below, or you can click right here if you want to check them out. Not even a little bit better. That's substantially worse. I'm gonna try a different pair of headphones. All right, so I got my Rizzo headphones. These ones are a little bit more powerful. Before concluding, I want to test these out on some actual speakers, so let's go over to my office and check them out. All right, so we are in my office. Sorry if it's a little echoey. This room isn't really made for sound dampening at all, but this is my setup. This is where I edit everything. I've got a Logitech 2-in-1 sound system here, and it's really good. It's nice and powerful. There's a sub underneath my desk. I'm gonna use these again, so put on your headphones so you can hear what I'm hearing. Okay, that had a substantial boost in just all around sound and power even. I've got the USB cable coming from the computer rather than 3.5 because I want better power and quality, but that sounded actually really good. I'm gonna turn it back off and we're gonna go to Netflix. Hopefully I don't get demonetized. I'm gonna turn on an action movie. It's in Mandarin, but it's pretty good. If you have Netflix, check it out. It's called Legend of the Naga Pearls. It's
It's definitely a directional sound coming from these two speakers, but when I hit the button, it seems as if all of a sudden now I have this surround sound. I may just keep this plugged into my computer from now on. That sounds pretty awesome.
So pros and cons. Cons, if you don't have headphones that are coming from an amp where you can put this in line, I don't think it's gonna be worth it. You know, for both of these, it didn't really do a whole lot other than kind of degrade the sound a little bit. So, not a big fan of that. But I am a huge fan of how it made my 2.1 sound system sound. Wow, that's a lot of sounds. That sounds funny. Say that 5 times fast. Sound system sound, 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 sound system sound. Okay. It added some punch in the bass, and it definitely added a 3D immersive sound effect that my 2.1 system can't give me. I like that. Now, sometimes you'll find like sound systems or sound bars that, or even TVs that'll have like a 3D mode. And I think that's what this is. I think basically they took that technology and put it in a small little device that you can inline just about anything. Minus headphones without an amplifier. I don't suggest that. If you don't want to upgrade your sound system to like a 5.1 and spend a few $100s, you could always add something like this to your sound system to make it sound 3D. It's going for about $110, so it's a little pricey, but in comparison to upgrading a sound system to say a 5.1 or a 7.1 sound system, if you want something a lot cheaper and get that 3D immersive sound effect, this is actually a pretty cool way to go about it. All right, so I'm gonna be giving 2 of these away. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below that'll take you over to rafflecopter.com. The minimum requirement is to subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, it's fine. Hit the button. It'll verify that you're subscribed and it'll give you that entry into the contest. There are other entries into the contest, but those are purely optional. You don't have to do it, but it will add more entries into the contest, which will increase your odds of winning. So definitely go check that out. So I'm gonna be leaving a link down below as usual for this, so definitely go check it out. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. Sound, 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 sound.